Okay na brother and sister, naayos din. Pauwi na tayo brother and sister.
In
Trahe natin
1.1
to.
kilometers.
Medyo
Continue
walang
straight
lakas
on
din
1
yung makina.
EDSA North Ayala Tunnel.
Ayos natin sa mekaniko.
Mobile phone camera ahead.
Dala mo lang yung battery brother and sister. Uwi tayo ngayon brother and sister ng Antipolo brother and sister kasi grahe na muna to, ayusin muna. Medyo walang lakas yung makina brother and sister. Ayusin muna namin.
In 300 meters, use the second or third lane from the left to continue straight.
Kaya tayo, magano muna tayo, magawa ng bahay kubo.